Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make buffalo chicken dip on the stove. This method is super easy and perfect for a quick snack or party appetizer. First, let's get all our ingredients together. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of your favorite hot sauce, 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, and 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Place your 8-ounce block of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of hot sauce into a medium saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir these 2 ingredients constantly until the cream cheese is completely melted and forms a smooth, creamy sauce with the hot sauce. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once smooth, add your 2 cups of shredded chicken and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the chicken is well coated in the spicy, creamy mixture. Next, it's time for the cheese. Slowly add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese to your saucepan. Keep stirring gently over the medium-low heat. You want the cheese to melt completely and integrate smoothly into the dip, creating that irresistible gooey texture. This step usually takes another 3 to 4 minutes. Once the dip is hot, bubbly, and all the cheese is melted, give it a quick taste. Feel free to add a little more hot sauce if you like a spicier kick. Your delicious stovetop buffalo chicken dip is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot dip into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions or a light drizzle of blue cheese dressing. This dip is fantastic served warm with a variety of dippers. Think crisp celery sticks, crunchy carrot sticks, sturdy tortilla chips, or even your favorite crackers. It's perfect for game day, parties, or just a cozy night in. Enjoy every creamy, spicy bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.